So you're saying that
you know the 80-20
if him
rule.
80% good and I just the dugu no right, you'd stick it out through with him? Yo! Alright, so today this is a serious convo and people, I don't know, just don't unsubscribe. Guys, today we are talking about how important is sex in a relationship.
18 and above.
18 and above.
Rated MA.
Yeah, rated SE.
Actually, it's not that explicit. We're just asking the direct question: how important is sex?
Alright, since you said that, how important is sex?
It's very, it's very important.
Yeah, but how important is it that?
Like if there was top 3 things in a relationship, I think it would be in the top 3.
For real?
Along with like trust and communication. Or top 5, I think it would be.
So suppose a man have everything what you want, but him not par with like a cucumber or like a plant.
That gets more explicit though.
No, you see me, maybe my par with a little, I don't know, one baby carrot.
No, but that's the question, if it's good or not. So.
Yeah.
But once, no matter the size, once it's good and once it is that the partner is happy or pleased enough, that's all that matters. So in the case they are not, then it's gonna be a problem.
So if everything are going good but the person can't do properly,
it's going to be a problem, but if it falls in the 20, it might not. You know the 80-20 rule.
So you're saying that
you know the
if him
80-20
80% good and I just the do no right, you'd stick it out through with him?
Yeah, it depends. Yeah, it would. I think there are other things in a relationship that are important, but if it just so happens to fall in the 20, then, and it's relative to people because some persons just don't care. So for example, money might be an issue for one woman or one man, when to another partner it might not be. So that's really personal. It's not as broad as we think. It's really personal and relative to each person.
No, we know that, you know. That's
right.
why we're trying to get out there for understand the masses.
Right.
You see me? So again, yeah. So we need you to comment and tell us, like, is sex, how important is sex to you in your relationship,
like, would you value
or in a relationship?
Right. Like, would you value it over communication, trust, money?
Yeah, but you can't though, because I don't think a proper relationship is built. The foundation of a relationship cannot be sex.
Of course not.
The foundation.
No, that's not what I was saying.
I know, but that's what I'm saying. The foundation needs to be friendship and trust and loyalty and all of them. So the communication, is me, and then sex there. But
I think
like let's be real.
Yeah.
Sex is important because the reason that why people cheat. Like, that's one of the main reasons. It might not be the main, it might not be all of the reasons. One of the reasons because people that's why people cheat.
Exactly.
People are not sexually happy.
Right. And because you might feel distant from your partner because you don't have that connection.
Yeah,
so
but
that
also
as well.
Yeah, but also you tend to find out that people are not real when it comes to sex. So like for a woman, for instance, the first
like
time a woman she might fake it, she might say, oh, to the man, you know. The man don't say, yo, me just mash that up.
Yeah.
Like me a slam kingdom champion.
Yeah.
And the man a say, yo, you see me, man a boss and man a real, yo, me mash that up, you know, dog. Me destroy that, me left her curl up in the corner. And them time she dey back her friend, him a say, oh my God, you know, say never good, but here why I have the money. You see me?
Because that fall in the 20 for her. But some women know them they're going to make the man feel bad and they're going upright, be like, no, I'm not happy, this isn't working, fix that.
Yeah.
Or they leave.
But at the same thing, but you have it the other way around too, you know. You have it the other way around, let's not forget.
Right.
You have it where the man, and guys can be truthful, like a man the first couple times you have sex, like a girl might be more reserved and you done in a relationship with her. But when you start getting night now, you realize that all she want have a bedroom sex, and you see me, she don't want nothing else outside of let's not get too explicit, but lay down on her back.
And
you
how
see me?
open are partners with each other, like do you
but that means say like them need
some
to talk.
people are afraid, some people are like, I don't necessarily want the person to feel bad, but if it is that it's that important to you, because some people it's not not that important to them, but if it is and all your life you've been that person that you're like, one of your love language maybe is feeling pleased and just having that connection, talk to your partner about it. Yeah.
Yeah, but boy, I don't know. I just don't understand why people lie sexually still, but hey.
Yeah.
Isn't me? I just that. So people just tell we just
Yeah.
want to ask the question.
Yeah,
Isn't it? It's
just
a very short, quick video.
Yeah.
So
maybe we
know,
can expound on it
Yeah.
next time when we get based on the comments.
Make we know how important is sex to you, and is sex important?
And is it a deal breaker?
Hey, so
Yeah.
let's go.
Yeah, guys.
See y'all. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Sort it out. Don't get wrecked. Nah, I mean, peace out.